Hey, what's up, everybody? This your boy Ninja Motor. If you're here watching this video right now, it's because you want to learn how to make money on ClickBank, and I'm going to show you a free strategy where you can get free targeted traffic for free. Okay? And on top of that, if you just stick around and watch this video all the way to the end, I'm going to show you how to get free targeted traffic to your affiliate offers for free without even paying $0. All right? So if you like this type of content and you want to see more videos like this, then please continue to subscribe. Hit that notification bell as well because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know how you feel about this video. Or let me know if you want me to do a paid traffic, if you want me to do a paid traffic tutorial, or if you want me to do a free traffic. Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll pick which one I should do first. Okay? All right. So let's continue. Now, this website for ClickBank, some of you guys don't know, especially if you're new to my channel. Some of you guys probably don't know about ClickBank. ClickBank has been around since 1998. It's been around for a long time, and the reason why ClickBank has been around is because it's the number one affiliate marketplace when you as an affiliate can promote different products, okay, products and services, and make a small commission. Now, let me tell you something. What ClickBank did, okay? ClickBank have over 190 countries over for 20 years, and guess what? They pay out 5.5 billion paid out to affiliates like us in commissions. Okay, guys, this has been phenomenal for everyone else. Okay, so if you want to become an affiliate, what you're gonna do, you're gonna hit the start here button. Okay, and then once you hit the start here button, what you're gonna do, you can answer these quiz questions, or you can just skip it and just say skip this quick start guide, and then it's gonna head over. It's gonna head over to the blank page to the form so you can fill out your information. Make sure you fill out the correct information so ClickBank to know who you are because they want to know who they talking to or who they're gonna pay. Okay, don't put no fake information because ClickBank is not going to verify you if you do not put the right information. Okay, so what it means is if you do not put the right information in, then ClickBank is not going to pay you. Okay, they're not going to approve you or pay you for it. So all I'm saying, if you want to make money online with ClickBank, especially as a beginner, then you have to follow the instructions. So make sure you take down the notes, okay? So watch this video all the way to the end. I'm going to show you a strategy where you can get free traffic without even having to pay $0 for ads, okay? So without further ado, then let's get right into it. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to log in right now. I'm going to log in into my ClickBank account. Give me one moment, guys. All right, now what we're going to do, close this out, okay? Now we're going to go to the marketplace right here, okay? All right, so what you see different categories that you can choose from, okay? So my recommended one that I'll say is e-business / e-marketing, and then health and fitness, and then uh, self-help, self-help and spirituality. So those are my four niches that I want to, that four niches that you can pick, okay? But choose one first. So for this video, I'm going to go with e-marketing / e-business, okay? And then I'm going to sort this by gravity because if you sort this by gravity, it'll tell you how much gravity score that a lot of affiliates getting paid from, okay? So you see this particular product get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Gravity score is 302.14. So that means a lot of affiliates has been promoting this product. So that means they've been making money with this product, okay? Just by promoting it, okay? They use paid traffic or organic traffic. Normally, you can get organic or paid, however you want to do it. So the annual conversion is 22.34, $22.34, and then recurring billing is $43.48. So if this customer decides to learn about how to get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, they'll automatically pay for the program and then start working on their process of making money with this program. Okay? And if they keep paying on the prescription every single month, then we're going to make $43.48. And not only that, we're going to get paid 28 like $27, okay, and 12 cents. So if we look at if you want to look at this um the sales page, we're going to look at the sales page for a minute, okay? Look at the sales page, okay? So this is the sales page that you can see. So when they come here, they're gonna answer these quiz questions, okay? It says online social media jobs that pays $25 through $50 per hour, no experience required, work at home. Take 1 minute quiz to find out what type of social media job you are best suited to. Click to start quiz below. So when they're going to start the quiz, and then once they start the quiz, they're going to answer a few questions that they need to answer properly, so they can know what position they like, what position they're good for. Because some of these people are like influencers. Um, some of these people are influencers. They are social media influencers, all different platforms. But And then we can go for the affiliate supports page. Now, the most important thing that we want to do, guys, we want to go to affiliate supports page because this is very important. Okay. So the next thing what you want to do, want to come over here. Okay. We want to look for a product image that's going to get us, that's going to help us get free traffic. Okay. People are going to want to click on this link. Okay. We don't have to build a landing page for this, but we're going to do this ourselves, okay? So before we do that, I want you to head over to a website called funkyfreeads.com. Funkyfreeads.com. I will leave that in the link description down below, so that way you can have access for free. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna sign up for this. You're gonna register your account for free. Use your Gmail. They do not allow. They no longer do. They do not allow Yahoo, so use Gmail only. Okay? And create an easy password that you can remember. Okay? So here we go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to publish an ad. Okay? And that's what we're going to do. Okay? We're going to publish an ad before we get to the next step. Okay? And then the next thing we want to do, we want to choose our category. We want to say business opportunities. Okay? We're going to say, let's say, say affiliate marketing. No, actually, we're going to do work at home. Okay. Now the next thing we want to do now, we want to come over here. We want to put a title. We want to put a title. So we're going to come back to the affiliate supports page. Okay. And then we're going to go for email swipes. And we're going to look for an easy one right here. Okay. Down. All right. So now we need to get a good description. So we need to put a good description that we can put on here so we can copy and paste it. Okay? So we're going to say, hey, first name. And then we're going to copy that. Hold on. Sorry about that. All right. And then after we get done with that, now the only thing that we need to do now, guys, we need to take this name off. We're going to say, hey, first name, okay? We're going to say, hey, first name. Okay, we're gonna say hey first name, and then bam. Okay, and then the next thing we want to do, we want to search for keywords, and then we want to post it to 1,000. You post it to 1,000 automatically. All right. So basically, guys, we got that. So now the next thing we want to do, we want to say this is what we want to say $0 because we don't want them to say it's free. Okay. I mean, we're going to say it's free. So we're going to say we're going to put this, and then we're going to put this for my city, Los Angeles. We're going to put this in Long Beach. Area, the city, area. People are looking for social media jobs. So in the website we're gonna grab our affiliate link, okay? But we're gonna shorten that affiliate link, okay? So we're gonna hit promote, and then we're going to we're going to say free funky ads. Okay, that's where it's coming from. So we're gonna generate hot link, and then bam. All right, and then now the next thing we want to do, we want to come over here, copy our link, shorten it, and then copy it, and then come over here and paste it in here. We're gonna say make money online. We're gonna say make money online. Okay. All right. All right. So now the next thing we want to do now, guys, we want to come back to affiliate support page. Now since we're done with that, so now we're gonna go back up, and then we're going to go back up right now, and we're going to product image. Okay. Now the only thing that we need now is to we need this one to download. Okay. Save this to our stuff. All right. So now we're done with that. So now we're gonna come back over here to free funky ads right here, and then now the next thing we want to do, we want to upload, and then bam, too large. Okay. Let's see what they're talking about. Let's see. Let's pick another one. Something that's not too much here. Okay. Let's see. Hmm. Okay. Let's see something here. Okay. Um. You know what? We're just gonna pick a good product. Okay. I mean, we're just going to upload it anyway, so forget it. Let's go with. Let's see. Okay, just forget about the ad. Okay, because we ain't gonna have no time to do that. We're just gonna publish this. All right, guys. So I sent it in already. So let's go to my account. Let's go to my ads. Let's go to my account. All right, and then we're gonna hit this. No, let me take. Sorry about that, guys. Guys, give me one moment, okay? Sorry about that, guys. So I had to take something off real quick. Sorry. But anyway, y'all. So yeah. So basically I just created this. So that's how you create an ad, guys. So I want you guys to do. I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and just make sure you hit that notification bell as well, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So if that interests in you, then please hit that subscribe and make sure you turn the notification bells on and give me a thumbs up. Okay? Because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online. Without that being said, guys, thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you make money as well with affiliate marketing. All right, y'all. Peace out.